See how far I've come and grown. I took a trip down memory lane, and what I see how true. But every step I have taken from my childhood till this day, you've been there by my side. You're always there for me. And through it all, it took so many years just to know what you mean to me. Thank you for those blessings. For those